Welcome to TechLibar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add serial number on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After open the Excel, just open up any document. Now if you want to add serial number from 1 to 50 on the first column, at first you have to select your first cell and then type 1. After that click on Home tab, and then on the editing option you can find Fill option. Then just click on Fill and then click on Series. After that you can see this window. From here you have to select columns and then select linear, and on the step value option you have to type 1, and on the stop value option you have to type 50. You can also type any number as you want and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see in my document serial number has been added successfully. Now if you want to align this number, just select your column and then click on merge and center, and then click on center, and that's it. And using this simple method you can easily add serial number on Excel. Here you can type 100 or 1000, and that's it. And that is how you can add serial number on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.